Now, we must create and nurture talented individuals we need. Department of Welding and Joining Science Engineering of Chosun University is taking a higher leap towards the world's best. As the first university program in Korea for welding and joining, the Department of Welding and Joining Science Engineering at Chosun University provides a one-stop support for welding from quality evaluation to design. Equipped with a 3,300 square meter laboratory and 6 billion won worth of 50 different kinds of advanced equipments, the department trains talent needed not only for the Korean Peninsula, but for the entire world. Laser friction stir welding lab, cold spraying lab, welding properties evaluation lab, stress metallurgy analysis lab, arc welding lab, are all part of the advanced, internationally standardized scientific facilities at the department specifically designed to rear talent through its systematic training. As it lies at the foundation of every major industry, some of which include electronics, semiconductors, shipbuilding, automobiles, machinery, nuclear power, and construction, the industry of welding and joining is a field that cultivates professional welding human resources to lead this global era. Through this progressive program at the Department of Welding and Joining Science Engineering at Chosun University, students will certainly reach their full potential as the future leaders of this world. Aiming to be the best in the world with the finest facilities, first to be founded in Korea, Department of Welding and Joining Science Engineering, Chosun University.